Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, let's get on with this one. Hello, how you doing? So today we're going to make this beautiful, it's really simple this one, mushroom and potato dry fry with METHI. It really has got a lovely distinctive flavour. It's beautiful, it's easy, it's healthy, it's vegetarian and it's vegan. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so what I've got here is 250 grams of fresh mushrooms, white mushrooms. I've cut them quite, quite chunky. You can slice them if you want, nice and thin. And then potatoes, they're kind of roughly equal amounts in volume. Now these potatoes, what I've done is I've parboiled them. You can do this with raw potatoes, but I just parboiled them a little bit, just speeds the process up. Okay, we've got here 1 cup of onions. We've got 2 regular sized tomatoes. Try and use a nice ripe tomato. Fresh chili to taste, it's up to you. I've got about 6 in there, I think. And I've not chopped them, I've just slit them down the middle. 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. Here we've got a teaspoon of the big 4. So we've got turmeric, coriander, cumin and chili powder, 1 teaspoon each. If you want, you could use a curry powder. And then 2 teaspoons of black mustard seeds and 2 of cumin seeds. And then here we've got some dried methi. Methi is fenugreek leaves. It really is quite a pungent flavour, beautiful stuff. And I've got there like a tablespoon of that. Let's get to the cooker and get moving. Okay, so we've got a pan, wok, skillet, something like that, up to you. Now I've got in there some oil. I've got 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a sunflower oil today. If you wanted, you could use something like coconut oil or mustard oil, it'd be really nice. We're going to start off by dropping in the cumin seeds and the black mustard seeds. Now we're on an above medium heat, and just for a few seconds, let these 2 seeds do their thing. They'll infuse that oil and give it a lovely flavour. Perfect. Now 1 cup of onion. And before I forget, let me get some salt in there. And then we're going to add our potatoes. Like I said, these potatoes are quite hard still, but they're not raw. I just put them into some water, brought them to the boil, let them go just for like 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, 4 minutes. Keep it moving. We're well on our way. This is superb. Okay, just 3 or 4 minutes there. Just getting them on the go. Let's get our mushrooms in. Like I say, roughly equal amounts in volume of the potatoes. So 250 grams, which is one of those kind of blue plastic punnet, kind of things, Okay, next up, we're going to go garlic ginger paste, tablespoon of that. Garlic ginger paste, 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. I'm now going to add in my chili. And again, 4 more minutes. Stir frying this around. It's going to be great. Beautiful. Those mushrooms are just starting to reduce down in size. We're now going to drop in that tomato. That's 2 kind of regular size tomatoes. Try and use a nice ripe one. And then the spices, so a teaspoon each of these 4. Turmeric, chili, coriander and cumin. Always call that the big 4 if you're regular to the show. You're going to know exactly what I'm talking about. 4 more minutes. All you got to do now is keep this moving, because once your spice is in, if you don't stir it, they can burn and they'll get bitter, which we don't want. See you in about 4 minutes. Lovely stuff. Okay, beautiful. Right, off goes the heat. Now those tomatoes we put in is just enough to give it a little bit of moisture. Now, we've got here our methi. What you do is you get that in your hand, like that. Get your other hand and rub it. Get it in there. Very, very distinctive, pungent flavour. I love it. Give that a mix. Absolutely job done. That is really beautiful. Okay, and there you go, job done. Really simple, beautiful mushroom and potato dry fry curry. Nice with some bread or with some rice, that's up to you. Keep safe, keep well, I'll see you soon. Lots of love.